is for you, sis. Think you can see some of the fruit starting to ripen. And some the birds have already started getting to. But I'm going to get a few of these before they get them all. I just want the seeds. But of course I'm going to have to eat some of the fruit too. Can't let it go to waste. At least nobody else's waste. Okay, that'll be enough to get started with, I think. I don't see too many more that are getting ripe, at least not that I can reach. Well, let's see if I can get something to grow. I'll get you your Loquats. Okay, there's a handful of Loquats. Oh, some of them have got bug damage on them. Some are not quite ripe. And some look pretty ripe. We could call that bug damage. That's okay. There's what your seeds look like. First one had 3 seeds in it. Let's see what this one's got in it. That one's got 2 seeds in it. Needless to say, the best way to get to the seeds is to eat the fruit. There's a couple of them out there. Get rid of the evidence. That one's only got 1 seed in it. Oops, and it's now on the floor. That one looks pretty good. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like another triple. Well, you don't have to sit and watch me eat all these things. Needless to say, I'm probably not going to eat that one, but I'm still going to get the seeds out of it. Next step after that is to let the seeds dry a little bit, and then I'm going to plant some, and some of them I'm going to send off to Oregon to my sister. Hopefully she can get them to grow out there. I don't know how well they'll work on coastal Oregon, but they grow like weeds here in Florida, so they might make it out there as long as they don't get too cold. But we'll get back to that when the time comes. Okay, sis, next step in the quest for the Loquat. I've got 3 seeds here that are nice and dry, and I'm going to plant them in these 3 pots right here. Now, to be honest, I've never planted Loquats or Japanese plum seeds. Usually the squirrels do that for me. So I figure if they can handle it, I should be able to. I've got these 3 pots with, got these 3 pots with my normal dirt potting mix. Looking at the seeds, that's a little bit of the paper plate there. I do not see any real indications of a top or a bottom. If you manage to make it to the end of my, uh-oh, that one's not good. Okay, that one's going to have to be replaced. If you happen to see the end of my Let's Grow Garlic video, you know that sometimes putting seeds in right side up makes a difference. But I don't know, so I'm just going to stick these things in the dirt. Put them about an inch or so down, and see what happens. Of course, I'll water them in, and I'm going to go back inside and get a third seed to put in that third pot. But we'll water them in, and then we'll wait as usual, see what turns up. I'll let you know, folks. Can you see that little yellow white speck in the middle there? Let me see if I can touch it. Right there. Looks like a loquat starting to sprout. And if you look real close over here, over here, there's one more right there. Nothing in the third pot yet. Nothing in these pots where I put the seeds right on the dirt. But this one over here for sure looks like a loquat starting to sprout. Okay, sis, I'll be sending you seeds soon. Yeah, a little update. The loquats. Here's the second one there. Third pot has not developed anything yet. And the seeds that I put on the surface of the soil so far do not appear to be doing anything. But this guy here is going pretty good. See what we got in the loquat area. I would say we have a loquat and another one over there right behind him. Looks like that one was a success. Third one did not come up, and so far the ones that I put on the surface of the soil, just like Mother Nature does it over next door, none of those are showing any signs, but I'm going to leave them in there and see what happens. But for now, I'm going to consider this to be a success. There's my little baby Japanese plum, or loquat. Hello, friends and potential friends. My name's Jack, and I'm the Geeky Gardener. You don't see my face on the videos very often because the way I look at it, the things that show up on this channel are not about me. They're about the things that I do, the plants that I grow, the critters that I run across, and so on and so on. But I just figured I'd make this short clip and tack it on to the end of one of my videos, kind of as another experiment. Let's just see who, if anybody, actually makes it to the end of one of my videos. Be an interesting experiment. We'll talk to you next time.